We start the month of November with a huge Great Lakes storm. Temperatures will be above normal in November, and precipitation will be below normal. The Great Lakes storm will move north of Lake Superior, and the temperatures will soar to 70 degrees with a southerly flow as the jet stream lifts northward well into Canada and well north of the Great Lakes. The rain will change to heavy wet snow with an inch of accumulation, and then Arctic high pressure moves in after that. Second week of November, we get into almost an Indian summer type pattern with temperatures continuing above normal. It'll become windy and partly sunny and highs near 50 degrees. So fairly uneventful November. Temperatures are going to be above normal and precipitation is below normal. December, temperatures below normal and precipitation will be below normal. Mild, dry weather will start the month with a major storm lifting well to the north of Lake Ontario. Once again, a powerful northwesterly flow will take over, and a classic nor'easter will bring bitterly cold air after it moves into Canada and into northern New England. The jet stream goes further south, and we get more eventful weather. We get a mixture of rain and snow, which is mainly a rain event in this area, but well to the north, it's all snow. The classic nor'easter moves through, and that'll be followed by cold Arctic air temperatures only in its single digits. So this could be a December with the coldest air since 1989. So we're actually going to get Arctic air in the middle of December. It's going to be the coldest air of the winter, and then it warms up a little bit, stays below normal. Then we'll get snow changing to sleet, and in mid-December we could get an ice storm with the rain, sleet, and changing to freezing rain. And it looks very likely we can get an ice storm right before Christmas and New Year's. Now, January 2022, temperatures will be below normal and precipitation below normal. So a very cold, very, very dry January. Below average snowfall and way below normal temperatures. We start the month with a continuation of a northwesterly flow, and the jet stream is far to the south, so it's a cold pattern. And then we get lake effect snow squalls, but we don't get them in the lower Hudson Valley. We get most of that to the north and west. Another coastal storm will bring heavy snow, but this time the storm stays to the south, and there could be a blizzard in coastal North Carolina, Virginia, southeastern Pennsylvania. There could actually be a major blizzard, but we'll be right in the northern fringe of that around the beginning of the new year. And there's a lot of blowing and drifting where they do get the heavy snow, so it's very, very windy. Then we get a solid 2 weeks, so we get actually 2 weeks of dry weather, which is unusual in January, but we will get that. That 2 weeks will be like January 12th through January 25th, and it's unusually dry, but we could get a few inches of snow with a Alberta clipper moving through, and there's extensive blowing and drifting. Then things shift completely. The end of the month, we get more of a very fast-moving weather pattern, very fast-moving with Alberta clippers and coastal storms. Much of that activity staying to our south. And February begins with a much milder pattern. The jet stream was lifting northward to southern Canada, and it moves way to the north. So the further north the jet stream, the milder the pattern. So we're going to get mild weather. We're not going to get much snow at all in February. We could get a January thaw in February, especially around Valentine's Day. But there might be a heavy wet snowstorm, which right after Valentine's Day, like around the 16th to the 20th. We could get the only snow event in February. So February is going to be mild. Then we end February with much colder air, so the only cold air in February is at the end of the month. So it's an upside-down type of February. At the end of the month, we get a Alberta clipper, which brings milder air and then colder air. So it turns very cold at the end of the month.